بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه أما بعد. This is our walkthrough for resource number 16, the review questions that go along with lesson 16 in our Ajrumiyyah course in Arabic grammar. And so the expectation for this point right here is you've already studied the 16th lesson. You've listened to the recording. You've reviewed. And then you've attempted to answer these questions on your own. And then you even checked the answer key to see how well you did. And now we're going to go over the questions and the answers together for some additional benefit, insha'Allah ta'ala, and perhaps clarification of anything that might have confused you. Resource 16. As found on page number 121 of our Ajrumiyyah workbooks. أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس السادس عشر. Review questions for the 16th lesson. السؤال الأول. The first question. قال الإمام ابن آجروم رحمه الله. The Imam, the author, Ibn Ajurrum, may Allah have mercy on him, said, وَأَمَّا الْأَلِفُ فَتَكُونُ عَلَامَةً لِلنَّصْبِ فِي مَاذَا? The alif is a sign of the nasb case of a word being mansub in what things? A. الأفعال الخمسة. B. خمسة مواضع. C. الأسماء الخمسة. Or D. ثلاثة مواضع. And so this is a very direct question, as the first one tends to be. The actual statement of the author is وَأَمَّا الْأَلِفُ فَتَكُونُ عَلَامَةً لِلنَّصْبِ فِي الْأَسْمَاءِ الْخَمْسَةِ. That means C is the correct answer choice, quite obviously. السؤال الثاني, the second question. أعرب أباك في قولك رأيت أباك. What's the i'rab of أباك in that sentence? A. فعل ماض مبني. B. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الألف. C. اسم مرفوع علامة رفعه الألف. Or D. اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الفتحة الظاهرة. So, based on our practice and our repetition, our usage of رأيت Allah to show مفعولية, I saw this and I saw that, we know that أباك is an ism mansub. That means we only have answer choices B or D to really choose from. We know that أباك is not a fi'l mad. It is not a past tense verb for sure. And we know it's not ismun marfu' because أباك would be أبوك with a waw, remember? So we know it's an ism mansub. But what is the alama? Answer choice B says علامة نصبه الألف. And answer choice D says علامة نصبه الفتحة الظاهرة. Now, أباك changed from أبوك, the waw changed into an alif. That's the changing thing. In both cases, the kaf had a fetha on it as a dhamir, as a pronoun. رأيت أباك, هذا أبوك. So the ka thing at the end did not change at all. That cannot be the sign of i'rab then. So it must be the alif, and therefore B is the correct answer choice. السؤال الثالث, the third question. أعرب ذو كما في قوله تعالى ذو العرش المجيد. From Surah Al-Buruj, the 15th verse. What is the i'rab of the word ذو in that verse? Answer choice A. اسم من الأسماء الخمسة مرفوع علامة رفعه الألف. B. اسم مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة. C. اسم مرفوع علامة رفعه الواو. Or D, اسم من الأسماء الخمسة منصوب علامة نصبه الألف. So, right away, looking at answer choices A and D, they both have the alama, the sign of the i'rab, as an alif. There is no alif in the word dhu. So the only possible answer choices we have now are B or C. And they both say that it's an ism marfu'. But what is the sign of it being marfu'? Is it a waw or a dhamma? Now there is a dhamma on dhu, on the dhal, but that is not the sign of its i'rab. Remember, dhu is from al-asma'ul khamsa, the 5 nouns. So abuka wa akhuka wa hamuki wa fuka wa dhu malin. There's the dhu right there. It's dhu or tha or thee, depending on its case, whether it's marfu', mansub, or makhfud. So the waw here is the sign of it being marfu', and that means C is the correct answer choice. Ismun marfu'un علامة رفعه الواو. السؤال الرابع, the 4th question, أعرب ذا كما في قوله تعالى أن كان ذا مال وبنين, from Surah Al-Qalam, the 14th verse. What is the i'rab of ذا in the verse? A, اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الألف. B, اسم من الأسماء الخمسة مرفوع علامة رفعه الألف. C, اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الفتحة الظاهرة. Or D, اسم منصوب علامة نصبه الذال. So it is certainly an ism mansub. So we eliminate answer choice B. It's from the asma khamsa, the 5 nouns, and as you know, the sign of one of those 5 nouns being mansub should be the alif. That means A is our correct answer choice. Ismun mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-alif. The fatha in answer choice C is incorrect, as well as, of course, the dhal. That is not a sign of anything being mansub. السؤال الخامس والأخير, the 5th and final question here. مثال ما فيه اسم من الأسماء الخمسة منصوب. An example of something that has one of the 5 nouns that is in mansub case. A, ألم نجعل له عينين ولسانا وشفتين, verses 8 and 9 from Surah Al-Balad. B, واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد, the 17th verse of Surah Sad. C, سيصلى نارا ذات لهب, that's the 3rd verse of Surah Al-Masad. Or D, إنه ظن أن لن يحور, that's the 14th verse of Surah Al-Inshiqaq. And so we're looking for one of the 5 nouns, abuka wa akhuka wa hamuki wa fuka wa dhu malin, and we're looking for it to be mansub. So we're looking for aba, or akha, or hama, or fa, or dha. And where do we see that word? In the 2nd answer choice. Answer choice B, واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد. ذا الأيد. There it is. So the correct answer choice is B. As for the ذا in answer choice C, then it's part of another word, ذات. ذات. It is not the word dhu in mansub form at all. Allahumma barik lakum wa barik alaykum. I hope you're doing well, and I hope that this walkthrough was helpful. It's time to review lesson 16 and the previous lessons and get ready for lesson number 17. Insha'Allah ta'ala. May Allah give you success. وصلي اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد.